Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Christine Ferreira.
Good morning. It is 5:22. I wanted to start you out with the latest information I received overnight, which is a winter storm watch posted for the Susquehanna Valley from 10 p.m. Saturday until 1 p.m. on Monday. This will likely be upgraded to a winter storm warning come tomorrow. So Sunday, of course, you know the big snow. We are going to watch it develop Saturday night and end early Monday. So Sunday's really the heart of the storm. We could see significant snowfall, 12 inches or more possible, and it could even mix now. This is something new with some sleet in southeastern counties late on Sunday, but the bulk of snow will already be on the ground at that time. Impacts hazardous travel. We could see 1 inch per hour snowfall rates at times, frigid temperatures, and then behind the storm, blowing and drifting snow into Monday. So we're fairly confident that we get 6 inches of snow. That's highly likely. Likely that we could get 12. Now, possible 18, but that might be a little much, and there's a low chance of over 18 inches of snow. Our expected impacts, of course, hazardous travel conditions. Travel disruptions will be very high, closings as well. Visibility could be poor at times, especially when that snow comes down heavy. And with the wind picking up behind the storm, there may be some power outages into Monday. So all things to monitor as we head toward the weekend. And we're going to have snow totals for you on Friday. Here's our News 8 Storm Team forecast today. A mix of clouds and sunshine this morning. There may be an isolated snow shower, especially in northwestern counties. For the afternoon, look at the high, 44. That's the warmest temperature you're going to see in the entire 10-day forecast. This evening, mostly clear, breezy and chilly. Temperatures will be in the 30s. Now tonight, under partly cloudy skies, will slide down to the 20s, which is average for this time of the year. We still have that brisk breeze to battle, though. And tomorrow, partly sunny, dry cold front comes through in the afternoon. The wind picks up, and that's going to drive our wind chills to sub-zero levels late tomorrow night. So the wind is really going to pick up and the temperatures are going to tank behind that Arctic front. So Friday night, Friday evening really, through Saturday afternoon, we have to be mindful of these impactful wind chills. They could be sub-zero. And let me show you here with the predictor. You can see by Friday evening, those wind chills really plummet down into the negative digits. We are borderline cold weather advisory with those wind chills, so we'll let you know if that's issued. But as we head into Saturday morning, sub-zero chills are likely, and they do improve to the single digits Saturday afternoon, but this just sets up the Arctic air ahead of our storm. Luckily, it's nice outside this morning. I'd say 36 is nice in Lewistown, 35 in Lebanon, 36 degrees in Lancaster, even for highs next week. You're not going to see those numbers. Wind speeds have picked up overnight, and they're about 5 to 15 right now. They'll be even stronger, 10 to 20 later this afternoon behind this very weak boundary. Cold front right now is from State College to Lewistown. There could be a couple of snow showers, but nothing significant that would slow down your morning travels. On our Storm Team Live Radar Network, though, there's a boundary offshore, another one coming in from the west. There's just no real cold air until we get to tomorrow. So here's a look at the predictor. I do think we squeeze in some generous sunshine today, and that means with highs in the 40s and the sun, it is your optimal day to get outside and get those tasks done before the Arctic air sets in. For Friday, we should see a mix of clouds and sunshine once again. That dry boundary comes through, and that's really the leading edge of that cold Arctic air just ahead of our winter storm. So speaking of the winter storm, here we are at 8 p.m. on Saturday. You can see the storm coming in from the west late, and I'd say by about 10 or 11, even midnight, we could start to see that snow generating. Now, as we head into Sunday morning, the snow could be heavy at times. Even Sunday afternoon, we could get 1 inch per hour rates at times. But here's something new that I'm watching. You see this pink down here? See how it just squeezes into our southeastern counties? That's a little bit of sleet, and that could come in at the end of the storm when most of the accumulations are already down. But I wouldn't be shocked to see some low-level warming in the atmosphere as low pressure tracks off the East Coast. The surface is definitely going to be cold, but in the lower levels, mid-levels of the atmosphere, it could warm up just a little bit. Now, of course, behind the storm, blowing and drifting snow is our big concern. All of next week, it is just downright frigid and blustery. Look at those highs. They're in the 20s. Lows could very well be in the single digits. So, Regina, we are really in for some cold and prolonged cold. That snow is going to stick around.